Hi my dear K2 students. So I'm going to show you how to draw a bird for this session. So we are going to use a pencil for that. Okay, first we are going to draw a circle. Okay, now this circle is actually a guideline for us. Guideline means a rule about how something should be done. So I'm going to show you what to do next. We are going to draw a sleeping line which starts from here and we can stop here halfway. Now continue to draw a curved line just like a sea, a sleeping sea. Now add two slanting lines in the upward direction and join these two by making a V for violin. Okay, now add one curved line like half circle, another half circle, so that gives you the wings of the bird. Now trace the remaining circle, so you're done with the head, and this circle which was our guideline can be erased. We can further add by drawing eyes, beak. I just made a V shape for the beak. Draw two standing lines and we are done with the bird. I hope you like this.